Hello, my name is Hiếu. I'm from Thực Nghiệm Secondary School. I am 14 years old and this is my buddy Sơn.
Hello, my name is Sun. I'm 13 and I'm also from Tugget Secondary School.
Why we choose this topic? We choose this topic because we see the volume of garbage increasing day by day. Waste is unavoidable. No matter how well-intentioned environmental efforts may be, everyone produces waste every single day. Trash takes up landfill space, generates greenhouse gas, and wastes non-renewable energy resources. This has been an increasingly a big problem, and it threatens the environment and the economy. We found this information which surprised us. That picture has a total of 2.6 trillion pounds. These statistics are from 2012, so imagine what is the number a few years later. We know that at our houses, some waste production is inevitable. However, the habits and materials you use can reduce waste production and make a big difference. If you want to reduce the trash in your household, you'll need to know exactly how much waste you're generating and how much of it could be recycled or composted. Waste audits are the best way to do this. A waste audit will tell you how much waste you currently generate and how much you could be recycling instead or composted. Keeping track of this information will make your household greener and your waste easier to manage. Once you know what materials you're wasting the most, you can take action to reduce your reliance on those materials and save both your money and the environment. This will save our environment and protect our planet, which we only have one. Through the waste audit, we will know the average amount of trash that each person throws away every day and how much we can reduce the volume of trash that will go to dumping sites or landfills.
As you do your part to protect the planet, one of the first steps is to perform your very own waste audit at home. We gather our supplies, trash bin, globes, scales, disposable bags. We audit the trash for 1 month. We measure the trash volume every day and document in a sheet for 1 month, and then we dive the volume by person to get the per person amount. Then we start to sort out the trash to 3 categories: recyclable, disposable, and trash that go to the dump site. Then we document the volume of each category using a chart and clipboard. Record our findings and decide what to do after the audit. We then use disposable trash for compost, sell recycled trash. Finally, we calculate the volume of trash potentially reduced every day and every month per person in our home. Then we make an estimate of the volume of trash reduced for all of Hanoi. We interview our neighbor to see if they sort their trash and find solutions for sustaining and expanding our project. Sun is gathering information on trash from available sources online and reports that look for practice elsewhere, then discuss and agree on the questions for our research and steps to conduct our research and experiment. We both interview our neighbor to see if they trash disposable practice and take note. We both went to markets and buy tools and material for conducting our experiment at home. We conduct waste audit in our house and document it and make compost. Sun is responsible for gathering data from our interview, experiment, make conclusions and recommendations for our presentation. I am going to prepare for the exhibit with Sun's input.
Most of the people we've asked do not separate trash. They do not care much about that. The volume of waste that a typical person throws away every day is increasing, partly due to the packing of food and utilities that families use every day. The volume of trash that can potentially reduce the dumping at sites is considerable. Through our research, we calculated that only 43% of our family total waste must go to dumping sites. And the other half, which including the 45%, is compostable, and the other 12% can be recycled. We are still collecting our data until July 15, so we will know exactly how much waste we can reduce daily and monthly. We are finalizing our project in 2 weeks and are excited to share with you our results and to inspire you to reduce your trash as well.